Welcome to this section where I'll show you how you can work with an image easily and get results fast. We'll start by explaining Photoshop's interface. I know some people consider it overwhelming and intimidating, but after my lecture, you'll see there's nothing complicated about it. We'll continue by customizing our workspace so it will better fit your needs. Everybody is different, so I want to take a few minutes and show you how you can set Photoshop up for yourself. Next, we'll start a new project and I'll explain the new welcome screen in CC 2017. I'll also talk about some interesting bits that can jumpstart your projects. The fun stuff comes next, where I show you how you can open an image in 6 different ways. I'll present different scenarios and why some methods are better in certain situations. It seems like a straightforward subject, but you'll see you have lots of options for this apparently simple task. Once you have a project opened, you're bound to want to freely move around inside it. Panning, zooming, switching viewing modes, everything is covered and it's really easy to get. Because I'm giving you so many options to open an image, I decided to do the same for saving your projects. I'm talking about exporting your work in 5 different ways. Please don't worry about all these possibilities, you don't have to memorize them. As you continue with the course, you'll see me go through various scenarios where I present each option yet again. So you'll learn by watching and working along, not by memorizing. Finally, we have 2 activities at the end. We'll resize an image both ways. I'll make it tiny, but I'll also blow it up to 300%. Then we'll use the crop tool and cut away any unwanted areas fast and without any effort. Finally, you'll see how I straighten an image with only a few clicks. These are skills you can implement today in your workflow. So let's get started.